Good morning, everyone. It is Saturday, so we're into the Labor Day weekend. Traffic is going to be heavy, so I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to hang out in the area here in Fredericksburg for a couple of days and let the traffic abate, then get on the road. But what I'm doing today, I am taking inventory of everything that I need to take with me, and I'm more than halfway there. In fact, I think I'm already there, but let me show you what I have and what needs to go up into the Thule cargo box and what needs to go inside. Almost everything that you see right here, with the exception of those two bags on the end there, will go up into that Thule cargo box. And how do I know that? Well, it's because I took all those items out. So I'm going to put them back up there. So I'm taking inventory right now. And let's start from the back. Here's my backpack, and I keep it fully loaded all the time. And inside of it is my tent, my 10-degree sleeping bag, bear bag, and other items that I would need if I'm out backpacking. And over to the right is the solar panels that you saw earlier in a previous video. Down here is my camera kit, which I will not put up in the Thule cargo box because that's sensitive equipment. What we have here in the orange is one of my tents. This is the Teton sports tent, and what's in front of it are the poles that hold it up. This is my tarp. And you may have seen this in a video that I did when I visited Carter Sport, where I rented a farm. And in front of that, in the black there, those are the poles that hold that up. In front of that is a camping chair. This right here is a portable toilet. It collapses and have all kinds of chemicals to put in it. Plastic bags and all that came with this, and it's comfortable. I mean, it's like being at home, except you can't flush it. Over to the right, I have a set of binoculars. Here is my stove. It's a butane stove. To the left, this is my Covia Cupid heater, which I'll place up in the Thule cargo box. It's butane, and there's no butane in it right now. And I will not keep any butane canisters up in the Thule cargo box. This right here is a one of those contraptions that you place on your windshield when you get heavy snow to keep the windshields clear. I do plan on going through Colorado and the states where there will be snow. I don't know if there'll be snow when I get there, but in the event. Over to the right, there is a bug zapper that comes in handy. Let's say if I'm inside the Jeep chilling out and mosquitoes or bugs get in there, and I can zap them easily. And let's go back up front. This is my Start Venturer 21, and I use that unit there when I'm doing astrophotography, and sitting on top of it is my gimbal. To the right of that are my two tripods. Back there is a toolkit, which I will keep in the cargo hold in the back of the Jeep. This will not go up in the Thule cargo box. I have a ratchet set, which will go up into the Thule cargo box. Coming forward, I have these bags here. This bag here contains clothing and shoes, and this bag here contains more clothing, but specifically fall and winter clothes and my hiking boots, hiking shoes, and all that stuff's in here. A couple pairs of slacks, shorts, things like that. Behind that, I have in this vacuum sealed bag some more shoes. They're just casual shoes. I'll have to go back down to Panama later on this year or in the beginning of next year. Behind that, in that blue bag, I have some cooking utensils. I had them in a plastic bucket, but I find that those plastic buckets take up a lot of space up there in the Thule cargo box. So I place them in these bags here. They tend to compress down smaller. And the same thing in this right here. And I can use these, let's say if I'm out shopping, let's take one of these into a store with me and they just come in handy. And back here, I almost missed it. This is a 12-volt tire inflator. I don't need a compressor installed on the Jeep. This works out beautifully. I just plug it into one of the 12-volt outlets on the Jeep, and I can inflate or to even deflate the tires on my Jeep and on my bike. A few more items here I want to show you. Now, these two bags right here, these will go inside the Jeep. The one over to the left, this is a daily use type bag that has a change of clothes, underwear, socks, things like that. This bag right here has a combination of that plus all of my toilet articles. Things to shave with, body wash, deodorant, and stuff like that. And 3 more items. This bag here is a compression sack, and I use it to keep my Jeep cleaning items in there. And over here, you guys know what that is. And of course, I have a bag of ducks. So I'm going to get everything that you see right here, with the exception of these 2 bags here and my camera kit right there up in the Thule cargo box. And right now, if you look inside there, it's empty. And in about 15 minutes, it will not be empty. So the first thing I'm going to put up there, since it lays flat, will be the solar panels. And I forgot to mention, let's take a look inside the Jeep. And I have my router up there mounted. It's working beautifully. Over there in the corner, it's now plugged in, is the portable AC unit. And I placed it there. And I can sit on top of this IceCo refrigerator and it won't move as long as I'm stationary. The jackery is turned on, the refrigerator is turned on. And I also purchased one of these, and this is just a hot water heater in the event I want a cup of coffee. This plugs into a USB slot on the jackery, heats up the water pretty quick, and I can have a nice cup of coffee or tea anytime I desire. So as you can see back here, it's pretty spacious. Not a whole lot of clutter, and that's what I want. So let me get to it. And once I get everything up in that Thule cargo box, I'll show it to you, just in case there are some doubters out there. Well, everything's up there. I still have some small spots up there where I can just cram things in. Down here on the ground is the tool kit, and that'll go in the cargo hold in the back of the Jeep. I'll show you that in a few moments. So let me close this. There it is, closed up. Toolkit will go right in there. And there it is. Okay, I'm ready. So the 3 bags that you see down here, my camera kit, a bag with clothes and toilet articles, and everyday use type stuff in this bag here, change of clothes. I place some shoes over here just to have access to them. So when it's time to go to bed, these 3 bags will go in the front passenger seat, and it's just that simple. There's nothing up there. So as I said earlier, I'm going to hang out here in Fredericksburg for a few days just to chill out and let the Labor Day traffic abate, then get on the road, and I'm going to be heading north. Very interesting location, to say the least. So stay tuned, and if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Oh, and by the way, for those of you who are confused about why did I go to Panama, I'm going to Panama. I went down to Panama to get my Penn visa, and I have it. I have the temporary. The permanent one will follow within 180 days. And I'm back here to do this road trip for maybe 5 months. It depends. Then, when it's done, then I'll go down to Panama. So please stay tuned.